Hello, in this video I will be discussing structure and language used by Robert Frost in the poem Birches. For the structure, the poem is a one stanza kind of poem, and it is made up of 60 lines. It is a prose poem because it is narrative in nature that paints the whole scenario in the poem, and it's rendered in simple conversational style. And the poets made use of run-on lines, whereby you have the idea of a line running on another line, the next preceding line actually. And then in the structure, the first three lines talks about it paints a picture of bent birches by a boy swinging them. The poem actually portrays and creates a picture of a boy swinging birches, the branches of a birch tree. And then in line 25, we have the preference of the poet, who actually realizes that it is not a boy that swings these birch branches, but it is the ice crust of the winter season that makes these birches to swing itself. And then the poet, he prefers that it is a boy that actually swings this poem, these birches, and he himself swinging the birches. And the language of the poem Birches, it made use of an informal style. The words are direct and simple in nature. The usage of first person pronoun and an imaginary second person, which is informal, also made use in the considering the language of the poem. There are also symbolic expressions that creates a whole divergent seasons in the poem, that of winter and that of summer. As regards the tone by the poet, the tone of the poet is reflective that in nature, in the sense that he actually reflects on himself as a person who is going through life's challenges and needed a break from such frustrations and challenges. And then the tone is also calm in nature to depict the whole situation, and it is resolute in nature. So this is basically the structure and language of Birches by Robert Frost. In our next video, I will be discussing the predominant themes found in Birches by Robert Frost.